For balancing the chemical equation, we need to have the same amount of atoms on the both sides. And clearly, we can notice that for this equation, we do not have the same amount of atoms on the both sides. So we need to balance it. And most of the time, we do not start balancing the equation with hydrogen or oxygen first, because these atoms are easily to be changed, because you can see this OH is stay together, so it's really easily to be changed. So most of the time we will start with metal atoms first. So for this equation, we can start with aluminum or carbon atoms, and I will start with aluminum first. And for the left hand side, we can notice that we have 2 aluminum, while for the right hand side we only have 1 aluminum. So in order to have the same amount of aluminum for the both sides, we need to times 2 for the aluminum hydroxide molecule. So we would have both sides we would have 2 aluminum atoms. And then we are going to balancing the carbon. And for the left hand side, we have 6 carbon atoms, while for the right hand side, we only have 2 carbon atoms. So we are going to times 3 for the octilon. So, and then both sides would have 6 carbon atoms. And finally, we are going to balance the hydrogen and oxygen. For the oxygen, we can notice that it's 2 times 3 oxygen for the right hand side, which is 6 oxygen atoms, while for the left hand side we only have 1 oxygen atom, so we need to times 3 for the hydrogen oxide. And then finally we are going to balance the hydrogen. We have 6 times 2 hydrogen for the left hand side, and for the right hand side we have 2 times 3 hydrogen, 2 times 3 hydrogen plus 3 times 2 hydrogen, which is 12 hydrogen atoms, which is equal to the left hand side. So this equation